And when I got to the room, I was so happy because I could look straight at the beach. But the only thing was that I could only look straight. I couldn't look left where the boardwalk was, and I couldn't look right where all the activities were because the tall hotel buildings were blocking the side view. Then I thought about my bathroom door, which was put in such a way that if you're on the inside, you could see perfectly through on the outside. But when you're on the outside, you could see nothing inside the bathroom. Then I thought once again, how about they could put the same concept on the walls of the hotel buildings so that whether or not you're on your balcony and you want to look left and right, you can see through the buildings to see what's going on. How do you like my idea? And I know that this idea might not come very fast, but an idea is an idea. By the way, this is Aishi from Non-Academic. And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I can get my unique thought just by looking left and right and seeing just tall hotel buildings, I'm sure you can too. Bye, and thank you for watching.